Hey guys, welcome back to my second video of random reviews. This time featuring the Hot Wheels, Batman the Animated Series, Batplane. Looks pretty cool, still in its packaging, mint condition. Okay, here's the back. Ooh, pretty cool, Batman. And now it's time for the unboxing. So people usually use blades for precision and accuracy, but then it's just a toy. So using my fingers. That's ugly. No. Oh my goodness. Still cool, still cool. So yeah, I'll put that one at a side. Ta-da! Whoa, looks pretty cool. As you can see, it's a Hot Wheels without a wheel. Phew. There's the markings underneath with Hot Wheels, where it's made. Oh, it's made in Malaysia in 2019. Ooh, DC Comics. Zoom. It's pretty darn cool. Zoom. So this is a close-up of the Batplane in all its glory. Fun fact, I didn't go to the department store or the toy store to get this gem. I actually went to my local Speedmart, that's the 99 Speedmart in Malaysia, to get this. And it only cost me around 9 ringgit and 50 cents. So yeah, pretty cool for them to have this in their store. This video is not sponsored by the 99 Speedmart, but yeah, it's pretty cool that they have it. Batman.